The Rob Roy is a classic cocktail that is essentially a Manhattan made with Scotch whiskey. It was created in 1894 at the Waldorf Astoria in Manhattan, New York City, and named in honor of the Scottish folk hero Rob Roy MacGregor. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces Scotch whiskey. Use a good quality blended Scotch or single malt. 3/4 of an ounce sweet vermouth. Any reputable brand of sweet, red, vermouth will do. 2 dashes Angostura bitters. You can use other aromatic bitters, but Angostura is traditional. 1 cherry. For garnish, a maraschino cherry is most common. For equipment you will need mixing glass, strainer, jigger or measuring tool, stirring spoon, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a mixing glass with ice. Pour in the Scotch whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters. Stir well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the cocktail into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a cherry. The Rob Roy can be served sweet with sweet vermouth, dry with dry vermouth, or perfect with equal parts of both sweet and dry vermouth.